Okay, this is an updated tutorial on how to move an entire website in less than 5 minutes, and it's also good because this is like a one-click solution to moving your website. If you're a GoDaddy customer, this is one of the features that is pretty much only offered by GoDaddy as far as I know. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log in to your GoDaddy account. When you log in, if you're familiar with the account, you know that you'll see some different tabs. You'll see your domains, but what you're looking for is your web hosting. If you have more than one hosting package, you'll need to locate the package that you want to work with. In this case, I'm looking at my economy Linux hosting. Click on Manage. When you click on Manage, it will take you into the next screen, which gives you some options and some bits and pieces that you probably don't need to know about right now. But what you're going to do now is click on here where it says cPanel Admin. cPanel Admin is going to take you into your, you guessed it, cPanel Admin page. There are other ways of doing this, but I'm just taking you through the way that I use most of the time and that I suggest that my customers use. You then click on the Applications tab. When you click on your Applications tab, you'll see three options. You'll see Application Browser, My Backups, and you'll see My Application. This is where the magic happens. When you go into your application, now I do need to note, we're cloning a site, which means you have to already have a site there. Okay, so what you're going to do is go into where your site is. You will select this button right here, and then you'll click on the clone tool. When you click on the clone tool, it's going to take you to another page. Now, this is going to look different on your site depending on how many domain names you have. But what you want to do is you want to ensure that you're installing or duplicating this site where you want it to go. So you could put it on any of your hosting packages, or if you have a Economy Linux Deluxe package or Linux package and you can only have one website, then you're going to need to put it in a subfolder. So you can name it whatever. So for this one, we'll just call it test. So that means it will live at the domain name. This would be your domain name /test. That's the folder it will be in. You then click clone. Now it will take usually about 2 to 3 minutes to clone. While it's cloning, I'm going to just go through some of the features that GoDaddy has recently introduced. One of the best features that GoDaddy has recently introduced is the phone numbers. You get a dedicated business phone number, so you can use it as a second phone number. But the great thing about the Smart Line, which is what it's called, the Smart Line from GoDaddy, is that you don't need to get a second phone. So you can use your existing phone, your existing cell phone, but have a different or a separate phone number which you can have ring through to your cell phone. You'll be able to see that someone's calling through on your business line. So if that's something that you need to know more about, you can give us a call here at Website Casa, or you can call GoDaddy directly. Now you see, this is now cloned over. So it's, this was the original. This is the cloned one. Websites or hosting clone. To rename it, you simply click on it and you could call it whatever you want to call it. So you could call it clone site or whatever, but it's automatically going to have clone in it when it clones it. But you could just call it like practice site. Now, a lot of people ask me, why would you want to clone a site? Usually I clone the sites that my customers can have somewhere to practice, but you might want to clone it because you're looking to update your site, or you're looking to add some plugins and you're not sure and you don't want to impact your existing site. So in a nutshell, that's how you clone a site. If you want to move the site, what you would then do is you can install some plugins. So there's some WordPress plugins that will enable you to be able to then download the site to your desktop and then move it to another host. But if you do need help with that, just give us a call at Website Casa and we can talk you through that, or you can email us and we can send you another link. If you do need a website, we can offer you very inexpensive web hosting through our website, which is websiteorhosting.com. And what you'll do is you'll just go to the site, you get 1 year's worth of hosting and a free domain name for about $31. So for a full year, you pay $31, you get the hosting for a year and a free domain name. This is on GoDaddy and it is through our link, so you get it's about a 70% discount by purchasing it through our link. Now you will be purchasing it from GoDaddy, not from Website Casa, so that means your relationship and your account sits with GoDaddy, but you do get the discount by using our preferred provider link. You also get 99 cents domain names. If you need any help, if you need any support, feel free to contact GoDaddy feel free to contact Website Casa by visiting our website, which is websitecasa.com, or you can just give us a call.